Hi everybody and everyone who's going to watch this video in future time. My name is Best. I'm gonna be with you through the tutorial of intuitive car production plant system. Before I proceed, this system, it's all about manufacturing cars. What happens is we order parts from the suppliers, then we assemble vehicles, then we sell them to the retailers. So how is this system going to help? So what you're seeing right in front of you is a login system. It's a login interface. Sorry about that. It's a login interface. Before you proceed, make sure you are registered to the system by administrator, or else you won't be able to use this system. So we're gonna use my credentials because I do exist in this system. I'm the one who created it, of course. So we're gonna use my details. And we're gonna log in as a user. Login. Then we're gonna start with the stock control. So with the stock control, we have vehicles registered to the system. All of these ones are the vehicles registered to the systems, and the price is given to each vehicle. And yet we have number of assembled cars. If we look at Touareg, we have 0. If you look at Sirocco, we have 1, and Passat we have 1, and this one you can see it's empty. The reason why it's empty is because we don't have the stock yet. So for these ones which have the reference number, it shows that the stock is available. So what's happening in this stock form is you add, you don't subtract, you add stock, and when you assemble cars you subtract. So let's assemble this one. Let's add the stock for Polo 1.8. Cool. Polo 1.8. Oh, the stock already exists. It shows 7 there. Stock count 7. Let's look at the Sirocco. Oh, there. Oh, it looks like all of them, they exist. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, let me check this one. We're adding stock quantity of 4. Let's add 4. And wait, previous stock, this one. Okay, let's use the 21st century Beetle. Cool. Now we're gonna assemble 3 of these ones. Oh yeah, there's no stock for this one, so we're gonna assemble 3 for these ones, and we're gonna add the stock cost. Say for instance is just put this one, then add. And if you try to add it again, it's gonna give you a message that okay, the vehicle already exists. So you don't have to add it again. You can only update the stock from the previous ones. So if you see, we have 3 there, the ones that we assembled, we have 3. So we're gonna update more on top of those ones. So we're gonna add 4, which add up to 7. Then we add another price again. So last time we had 400,000, so we're gonna add from this 4, we're gonna add another price. Say for instance is 7. We're gonna add 7, whatever it is. Then we update. Great. Then main task, we go to input. Say we're inputting which one did we assemble last time? Okay, let's add this one. We have 3. We have number of stock, which is 3 there. So you can assemble 3 cars because we have full stock of this. We have full stock of this type of car, which is 3. So you can only assemble 3 cars. And Touareg we have 6, which means you can only assemble 6. So let's add. Okay, you have 5 stock remain. You see, this message is very important, because if you're adding stock and you're just adding and you're assembling cars here, it's very important that you get notified that you have 5 stock remaining, so that you can order. You don't have to wait for it to be 0. I mean, like, if it's 0 and the clients are waiting, so let's just add 5. Cool. To rec 5, then we'll go back to sales. Then here we have customers registered to the system. You can see we have Smith John, and we have George Best, and we got Rendane Mrauzi, we got John Doe, we got Adam Smith, and the list goes on. Or you can add new customers here. We can add who? Okay, let's just say Tom. Great. Now let's test the validation first. What if I try to save without the email address? Cool. Please enter email address and invalid email address. Okay. Now you don't have anything there. That's why it's showing please enter email address. Now, what if I have this? What if I just have this? Invalid email address. There's no such thing. We haven't seen an email address which is of this way, né? So let's just try to put this one. There, record successfully saved. That's really great. New it clears everything and just give you a head start again. And customer IDs auto generated there, and you return, refresh, new customer is added there. Let's see, where is that guy now? What did I add anyway? Oh, Tom Jerry. There's it. Cool. Okay, when you click Tom Jerry, the customer ID is reflected here. Then let's make sales. Let's say Tom Jerry needs two to reg. Then you add there, and 1.4 there's nothing, and the Passat is just 1. Kumbi, we don't have anything in Kumbi, so I don't have anything yet. Oh man. Okay, let's just add the Sirocco. Only 1. Okay, then we have to add 1. Cool. 1. And this one is the total of these two. The total of these two. This one. So how much is the customer depositing? Let's just say depositing this amount of money as too much. Let's say it's this one. Oh great. It's too little, man. Cool. Then you save and print invoice. Then the system is gonna generate invoice based on the customer ID which was selected there. So we're expecting to have Tom Jerry with 2 sales. Then we wait. Okay, there. Then it shows these are the 2 sales that Tom Jerry made. Here's the Sirocco there, and here's the Turek there. Then it shows the quantity. This one is the unit price. This one is just the vehicle names. This one was the total price, and this one was the deposited price. Now this invoice goes to the customer. Here's the print button there. Then you print it. So I'm not connected to the printer here. I don't have any printer here, so we'll just leave it there. And this here shows it just shows the details of the company. So we don't have a company yet. I just wrote my street address there, so never mind this. So just close this one and go back to the okay, that's it with the user. Then here we have the license agreement. Intuitive car production plant version 1.0. It's too much anyway. Cool. Then log out. Now I'm gonna log in as a manager. So for the record, I can log in as anyone because I'm the one who created the system. So I do have the special pin. Best 1 2 3 4 5 and login and 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, but 1 2 3 4 5, I mean like my password of 5 digits. Don't think like it's just a simple password. Great. So a manager can only view history or view invoice, not invoice but report. So in history, you just only have to select the dates. I want to view history from the 21st. Search. Then it shows data here, there. And then great, sorry about that, something's not right there. Okay, cool. Wait, oh, it's just this. I'll remove it. Great. Then we have a report. Now let's check the report of today's sales. Sirocco. Cool. We have Sirocco and Tureg. So this is the net profit. So wow, it lost. Oh, that's simply because we have this price. Okay, what is happening here is we have production sales, and production is the amount of money it took to produce that vehicle, and we have sales here, the total sales of that vehicle based on that date. So we selected the date based on the sales here. So here when you select the date range is gonna show the information on vehicle sales based on these 2 dates. Cool. Then it shows the total net profit and cost and the total stock. So this one was subtracted from that one, that's why we're having that. And cool, it was supposed to be positive though. I'll fix that. Great. And back, then let's go into administrator, admin. I'm gonna log in as me again. Best 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Cool. 1 2 3 4 5. Great, there's it. So as administrator's role is to add employees to the system and to register vehicles to the system. Let's start with the vehicles. Say for instance I'm registering Golf 7 with price cool. Yeah, I know it's too little, just for the purpose of testing, so we'll just put this one, then add to the system. Cool. Now what if I want to edit again? Golf 7. Oh man, vehicle already exists. Okay, cool. New. Then we'll go back. Now let's see if I'm already there, man. New. Let's add another guy. Say we're adding John Smith Password, I can just give any password anyway because John Smith is going to change it, so I'll just give it just give any random password anyway. So I want John Smith to be a user to this system, and I'm gonna have John Smith's numbers here. Oh, only 10 digits. Great, leave it there. J Smith at yahoo.com. Register to the system, successful. And I can also delete him if I want to and update him. So let's just check. Delete. Great. This guy's gone. Okay, log out. That's it with administrator. Now change password. I'm gonna change mine. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm changing it to another one. 1 2 3 4 5. And 1 2 3 4 5. Wait. 1 2 3 4 5. I like 5 digits, by the way. Successfully changed. Trial active. Password recovery, that's if you forgot your password. Unfortunately, I'm not connected to the internet, so what happens here is you type your email address, then boom, we send your password to your email address. Great. And that's it. I don't like the way it logs out. Great. I have to change it, something here. I don't like this thing. Okay, cool. Trial active. Oh great, so that's it. By the way, that's everything about the system. I just have some minor errors that I have to change now from the invoice and from manager report. And guys, thanks for watching. Once again, this was a complicated system, so